Poppy makes Once Upon a Time inspired jewelry. Hey there, and welcome, or maybe even welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and if you never want to miss a thing, also hit that notification bell. That way you'll get notified every time I upload a new video. So it is almost Valentine's Day, and that is why today I will show you 4 Once Upon a Time inspired jewelry ideas, all inspired by the series couples. So for this you will be needing pliers and cutters, a pair of scissors, all sorts of jewelry findings like clasps, jump rings, crimp beads, pins, a large brooch pin or a shawl pin, all sorts of beads different in shape, color and size, and loads of different charms. I'll show you exactly what I've used later in the video. In this video tutorial, I'll show you 4 jewelry DIYs, a necklace inspired by Lacey aka Belle, and Mr. Gold aka Rumpelstiltskin aka the Crocodile aka Beast, earrings inspired by Regina Mills aka the Evil Queen and Robin Hood, a brooch inspired by Mary Margaret, also known as Snow White, and David Nolan, also known as Prince Charming, and a bracelet inspired by Emma Swan and Killian Jones, aka Captain Hook. First, I'm going to show you how to make a necklace inspired by Belle and Rumpel. For this I have used a long piece of leather cord and charms like a green hoop, a rose, a crocodile, and an Eiffel Tower, since Belle's story originates in France. What I'm going to do is attach some of the charms using a jump ring to the green hoop. But before we go there, I first run both ends of the cord through the hoop and then through the loop of the cord. Make sure you've divided the cord as equal as you can. Next, I took a glass bead with a rose inside. You could also choose to go with a rose-shaped bead like so, but I thought the glass bead was a cute idea because it reminded me of a rose covered by a glass bell. I ran both ends of the cord through the bead so it ended on top of the green hoop. I then took some charms like the crocodile, the Eiffel Tower, and a heart, and also a pink droplet, attached a jump ring to the charms, and attached those to the green hoop. Because I like long necklaces, I intended to keep the cord long. Therefore, a clasp wasn't necessary, and that is why I used a crimp bead to finish the necklace. I just ran one end of the cord through one side of the crimp bead and the other end through the other side. Then I just made it the length I wanted and used some pliers to pinch the crimp bead, and I cut off the excess cord. The second piece of jewelry are earrings inspired by Regina and Robin. For those, I've used loop ear wires, a lion to represent Robin's lion tattoo, and Regina finding true love again, a red wooden bead to represent apples, which Regina used on Snow when she was the evil queen, pins with a loop end, some leaf-shaped charms, and 2 small green beads. I took a jump ring and the lion and attached the jump ring to the lion and then to the pin with the loop. Then I took the red wooden bead, placed it on the pin, followed by the leaf-shaped charm and the green bead. Next, I created a loop out of what was left on the pin, cut off the excess, attached a jump ring, and attached it to the loop ear wires. For the second earring, I did exactly the same. The third piece of jewelry is a brooch inspired by Snow and Charming. For this, I made 2 charms using a flat-headed pin and colorful letter beads. I added the beads to a pin to make it say Snow and Charming. Do check if your spelling is correct, because as you can see, it took me a couple of times. And when the third time is a charm, I made a loop with the leftover pin, and then I used a jump ring to attach them to the brooch. I later changed to a smaller jump ring, but you'll see that in a bit. Next, I made another charm out of hearts and jump rings and decorated rings. I took a small heart and attached it to a decorated ring using a jump ring. Then I took a jump ring and another decorated ring and attached it to the first decorated ring. And took another heart and attached that using a jump ring to the empty decorated ring. I kept on attaching rings and hearts this way until I had 3 normal hearts representing Emma, Baby Neil, and Henry, and 1 decorated heart representing Snow and Charming, since they both share 1 heart. Next, I added a colorful tassel and a crown for them being prince and princess, of course, changed to a smaller jump ring, and added a diamond-shaped clear charm to finish. For the fourth and final piece of jewelry, I made a bracelet inspired by Emma and Hook. Here I used a ribbon clasp, a braided piece of gold faux leather cord, yellow faux leather cord, a ship's wheel charm, to attach other charms like this tiny car which looked like Emma's car, the yellow bug, and a ship to represent the Jolly Roger, Hook's ship. I took a piece of yellow cord and run both ends through the eyelet and then through the cord's loop to secure. I then did the same on the other side, only there was no eyelet on that side, so I ran both ends of a new piece of cord through the ship's wheel and through the cord's loop to secure. Next, I added a clasp to one of the ribbon clasps and attached a larger ring to the other ribbon clasp. I then cut both pieces of faux leather cord to size and joined them using the ribbon clasps. Using jump rings, I attached 3 charms to the ship's wheel, the car, the ship, and a heart. To finish the bracelet, I also attached a charm to the end of the bracelet that says I refuse to sink. And that is it, guys. I have now shown you 4 Once Upon a Time inspired jewelry ideas. I hope you enjoyed the video and have fun making your own Once Upon a Time jewelry. For more ideas and free printables, please visit my blog poppymakesdiy.blogspot.com. If you have any ideas or requests on what I should make or bake next time, please let me know in the comments down below. Also, you can follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest. Click here to watch any of my other videos or to subscribe to my channel so you'll never miss a thing. Thanks for watching and see you next time!